Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add Stripe as a payment gateway or payment method for your online store on Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing you guys want to make sure of is that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So the URL goes admin.shopify.com, and once you guys are here, we're looking to get access to the settings tab. So it's a button on the bottom left corner of the screen, as you can see here. So we're simply going to click on it, and from here, between the users and permissions, as well as the checkout tab, you'll see payments. So we're going to click on payments, like so, and actually wait for this to load. Let's actually refresh it. Oh, there we go. So you have two options here, being payment providers and adding new payment methods to your online store. So either way is fine, really, but let's see which one works. So Stripe doesn't show up as a method. Stripe doesn't work either, so it's Stripe provider. Here we are. So under provider, you can add Stripe as a payment method or gateway for your country. And the supported platforms for this are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Apple Pay. So to actually add it is quite simple. Simply want to click on it, and it'll redirect you to the page where you can connect your Stripe account over to Shopify. So from here, basically just log in, continue, and authorize the payment gateway to integrate with your Shopify store. And it's really that simple. Now, as you guys saw from earlier, Stripe isn't actually a supported payment gateway for my country, but it's pretty much the same deal. You just want to click on it and give it permission to integrate with Shopify. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.